In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking categories in Xero. Tracking categories are a powerful way to slice and dice your financial data. You can use them to track things like departments, locations, projects, or any other segment of your business, without needing a separate chart of accounts for each one. Once you set them up, you'll be able to run reports and see how different parts of your business are performing. Let's get started inside Xero. First, look near the top of your Xero screen, where you'll see the organization name and some options. Next to the current organization or demo company, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down arrow. This is a quick way to access key settings that apply to your whole organization. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. If you don't see it straight away, make sure you've opened the full drop-down and that you're in the correct organization. The Settings area is where you manage things like your financial settings, users, and, in this case, tracking categories. Once you're in Settings, look for an option called Tracking Categories. Go ahead and click on Tracking Categories. This page is the central place where you can create, view, and manage all of the tracking categories for your organization. On the Tracking Categories page, you'll see a button that says Add Tracking Category. Click on Add Tracking Category to start creating a new one. This opens up a form where you define what you want to track. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start by entering a clear descriptive name for your tracking category. For example, you might call it region, department, or project. Think about how you want to filter your reports later and choose a name that will make sense to anyone using Xero. Below the name, you'll usually see a place to add options or values for that category. These are the specific items you want to track under that category, like north, south, east, and west.